Hello guys, how are you guys doing now? So what if I told you that your WhatsApp could actually become a money making machine every single day? That same app you use to gist, vibe and chill, it can start bringing serious cash for you if you know how to use it the right way. In this video, I will show you 4 real ways you can start making money using just your WhatsApp. Like no scam, no stress, just simple methods that are working in 2025. Even if you are new to the online space, don't worry, I've tried them myself and they actually work. But before I dive into this four method, if you are new on this channel, you're welcome to Digital Payroll. Right on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, just do me a favor, support this channel by liking this video, drop a comment if you got value, and also subscribe to this channel. Awesome. So let's get into it. So in 2025, WhatsApp is not just a chatting app anymore. Like it's now a money making machine for smart people. From students to side hustlers to full-time entrepreneurs, people are now using WhatsApp to build businesses, to make sales and to earn daily. Do you understand? So whether you're looking for an extra cash or you're ready to start a serious business using just your WhatsApp or using just your phone, this video is your starting point. I'm going to walk you through 4 powerful ways you can start making money using your WhatsApp. I'll be showing you real strategies to make money online, even if you're a total beginner. You don't need much capital, you don't need any tech skills, just your phone, your WhatsApp, and a little consistency. So if you're tired of scrolling aimlessly and you're ready to turn your WhatsApp into a source of daily income, you want to keep watching to the very end. By the end of this video, you'd have learned exactly how to start monetizing your WhatsApp status like a pro. Now let's dive into the first method you can make money using your WhatsApp. Like this first one is one of the most consistent way you can make money using your WhatsApp. And this is through affiliate marketing. You must have heard of it before because this is a very popular method. And personally, I use this method to make money on WhatsApp. You can see some of my earning right here, right? Awesome. So what is affiliate marketing? It simply means you promoting other people's products and getting paid commission every time someone buys through your unique link. Do you understand? So how does affiliate marketing works? How does it work? So I'll try to summarize it for you so you get to understand how it works. So for you to become an affiliate marketer, you need to first sign up. That's the very first thing you must do. Sign up on an affiliate platform like Seller if you are in Nigeria, or Amazon if you are from USA or UK or all those European countries. Then once you are in, you want to go ahead and pick an affiliate product you have to promote. Then you get to generate your unique link. And afterward, you start creating content regarding that your product. You get to share helpful content. You get to share simple product recommendation on your WhatsApp status, or you can even use a broadcast list. And when someone clicks on your link and buy, then you've made a commission. So it's that simple. So in affiliate marketing, you don't need to create a product, you don't need to handle delivery. Like it's just so easy and stress free. Do you understand? So that's one simple way you can start making money using just your WhatsApp, affiliate marketing. So if you want a more detailed video, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how to start affiliate marketing and succeed with it, I've made a full tutorial for beginners. So just check the link in the description. I explained everything in that video. Do you understand? I don't want these videos to get too long. Alright, so let's proceed to the next method through which you can make money consistently using your WhatsApp. So this second method, this second business model is called e-commerce. E-commerce. So this is one of the most profitable business models anyone can start from their smartphone or with their smartphone. Do you understand? E-commerce simply means the act of selling physical products online. It's all about you selling physical products online. So here's the cool part about it. You don't need a website for you to start e-commerce. Your WhatsApp alone is enough for you. Your WhatsApp alone is enough for you. So if you're ready to start e-commerce, here's exactly what you should do, guys. Here's what you should do. Pay attention, guys. Choose a product that people already want to buy. You have to look out for trending or evergreen products that are very hot. Do you understand? Things like slippers, perfume, kitchen tools, waist trainers, even phone accessories. These are the kind of products that sells very fast if you are into e-commerce. Then the next step is for you to buy a few units of that product to test it. You understand? You want to test run that product, or you can even buy in bulk depending on your budget. So once you've secured your product, then you want to take a clear photo or video of that product for your marketing activity. Like you want to take a clear photo or video of that product, then start posting them on your WhatsApp status consistently. Start posting on your WhatsApp status consistently. Do you understand? So step 4, when you start posting your status, you start getting people that are interested in buying these products. Then go ahead and attend to interested buyers, collect payment, and fulfill orders. It's just that simple. Very, very simple. Now, this applies to those that, regarding the first one that I talked about, affiliate marketing, this also applies to you guys and even subsequent business models I'll be mentioning. So now you might be asking that, what if I don't have who I can sell to? Like, I don't have much contacts. I don't have audience on my WhatsApp. Like, if I post on my status, somebody will buy. What if I don't have who I can sell to? The simple solution to that is that you want to go ahead and run WhatsApp messaging ads. You want to run WhatsApp ads. These are Facebook or Instagram ads that direct people straight to your WhatsApp DM. People that are ready to buy. Like, this is a kind of Facebook ad that sends people to your WhatsApp DM. So with the right targeting, like, you can get a lot of hot buyers every day using this WhatsApp messaging ad. So you want to go ahead and run such ads in case you don't have much people you can sell to on your WhatsApp status. Do you understand? And if you want to learn how to run that ad, I also drop a link in the description that can teach you how to run that ad. Just go ahead and watch that video so you can learn how to run WhatsApp messaging ad. Like, everything, every information you need to become successful doing these businesses, I've prepared all the informations for you. You have no reason not to succeed. Do you understand? Awesome. So here's a bonus tip for you guys. This is a bonus tip. So if you're using WhatsApp to do your business, you want to switch it to WhatsApp Business. Like, it's a game changer, guys. It's a game changer. With WhatsApp Business, you'll be able to create product catalog. You'll be able to set automated replies. You'll be able to use label. Like, with label, you can be able to track your customers' orders. You'll be able to track those that are new customers, pending order, pending delivery, all those things. Do you understand? So just ensure you are very consistent with your WhatsApp status. Ensure that you post content on your WhatsApp status daily. Keep showing up. Offer discounts. All these things will help you make crazy sales if you want to go into e-commerce. So I believe you understand everything I said so far. Awesome. So let's proceed to the next business model that you can start if you want to start making money using your WhatsApp. Alright. Now let's talk about the third business model you can use to make money on your WhatsApp. This one is pretty cool, like, because even if you don't have money to buy any product up front, you can start this business model. Unlike e-commerce where you have to buy some product and stock, this one you don't need to stock any products. Now this business model is called dropshipping. So dropshipping is a kind of business model that allows you to sell physical products without you keeping any stock, without holding inventory. So how does dropshipping work? How does it work? For you to start dropshipping, first thing first is you need to find a supplier, someone that is willing to work with you. Then you guys get to agree that whenever you bring a sale, that they will handle delivery on your behalf. They will deliver the product on your behalf. Then once there's an agreement, you go ahead and start promoting that product on your WhatsApp status. And when someone orders the products, when someone buys and pay you, you simply send that order. You simply send the order to the supplier, and the supplier delivers the product on your behalf. And in the end, you send the suppliers his own money, and you get to keep your own profits. For example, this is how it works. Let's assume the supplier sells the products for 10,000 naira. Then you can go ahead and list it for like 15,000 or 17,000. Then when your customer pays you, you get to like collect 15,000, send 10,000 to your supplier, and you get to like keep 5,000 naira as profit for yourself. That's how it works. Like, you are in charge of how much profit you make in this business model. You get to detect how much profit you get to earn using this business model. I think that this is also interesting. With dropshipping, you don't need to stock products. There's no risk involved. All you need is just your smartphone, just your WhatsApp. There's real money to be made online, guys. There's real money. So if you're interested in selling kitchen appliances or kitchen gadgets, I'll be dropping the supplier link in the description so that you get to join a supplier's dropshipping group. I guess you're happy about that. You know I always have your best interest at heart. Awesome. So go ahead and click that link if you want to join a suppliers group on WhatsApp, so that you can always get products you can sell and put on your status to sell to people. Awesome. Now moving on, let's talk about the last way you can make money using your WhatsApp. The last way you can make money on your WhatsApp. Now, this last way that you can start making money daily with your WhatsApp is perfect for those that are students. Anyone that loves sharing trending content. Now, this last way, I would say, is like you running a WhatsApp TV. That is the business model. You running a WhatsApp TV. So you want to think of a WhatsApp TV like a mini media or a mini channel that you can run on WhatsApp. So how does this work? How does a WhatsApp TV work? So you want to start building your audience so they can get a lot of viewers on your status. let's say about 1,000 views. Okay, 500 is a very good one. Let's say about 500 views, 1,000 views, 2,000 views, as much as possible. Then once you've gathered these views, you want to start sharing trending content regularly on your status. Content like gossip, news, entertainment, football, viral videos, those things. Stuff like this get to keep your audience hooked to your status. So once your audience grows to a very good number, you want to reach out to business owners that you can help them promote their products to your viewers. Then you ask them to pay you to put their product on your WhatsApp status. Do you understand? And from there, you start making money for yourself. The good thing about this business model is that if you grow your brand very well, like you see businesses coming to you, eager to reach out to your audience. People that do this business model, they usually charge as high as 20,000 naira on a particular ad just to post on their status. As low as 5,000 naira. Can you see? You can make within 5,000 to 20,000 just by posting people's products on your WhatsApp status. Are you seeing how profitable that is? Awesome. So just go ahead and try this method. It's a very simple one. Very simple one. All you need is just to build your audience, connect with people and build your audience. I guess you understand that. All right. So these are the 4 powerful methods you can start making money daily using your WhatsApp. These are the 4 methods you can start making money using your WhatsApp. So whether you're a student or you're a stay-at-home mom or you're just someone looking for extra money, this idea will work well for you. They can change your financial game just if you take action. So which of these methods do you want to try first? Let me know. Drop your answer in the comment section. Let me know which of the methods you'll be trying first. And if you want me to create a full tutorial on that particular method, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. And I'll make a video regarding that particular method. So I believe you got value from this video. I believe you found this video very helpful. If you did, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with someone that you feel you need this information today, someone that you feel needs a way to make money for his or herself. Alright, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.